Damn, that is quick as hell. What? Chainsaw Man, all fight scenes. I'm gonna be honest, I ain't never plan on watching this. What the fuck? What the hell? Hold on. Cause what the fuck is that he's fighting? Damn! Hold on. Cause the animation of this bitch is kinda nice, bruh. I'm not gonna lie. Damn. What the hell? Oh, me, these motherfuckers was thinking of Wolverine when they made this show. Like, what? Ain't nobody just thinking of this. Fuck? Why would you just let that happen?
Cough up the tits. Those are mine.
Okay, this nigga's horny. Okay. I can't lie though, this ability is hard. Cough up the tits. What the fuck?
No one can touch me. Don't move.
Bro, really moving like that with chainsaw. Wait, so how do they come out of his hands, bro? Cause them bitches go like right here. What the fuck? Damn, he's strong too. Damn.
So why haven't I got to cop a single damn thing?
Wait, so if he gotta like pull the string to turn himself on, does he gotta put gas in somewhere, bro?
No, stay back.
Okay, and the thing is fucking talking. Nigga was literally fighting a damn big ass gremlin. I mean, it is hard still. It's just, I don't know. I don't fuck with the head chainsaw. Fucking horny. What the? What the hell?
My chainsaws, why the hell ain't they working?
The fuck? Who implanted that into his body?
He can fight so fiercely.
Niggas fighting a giant worm, bruh. What the hell? What the hell just happened? Why does the blood look like it's... Oh shit.
Cone.
Oh my, hold on, wait. That shit was actually hard, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, this you hard, man. Damn, bro. They're like a damn Naruto shits. Bro, how is he not dead yet, bro? Damn. They taking like abilities and shit from Naruto? Is he summoning shit?
Aki Hayakawa, you've put quite the abomination in my mouth this time.
Power. Go stop Himeno from bleeding out.
3.
The fuck is that?
Fire!
2.
Oh yeah, one more.
1.
Oh.
Finish it now!
0.
What the fuck just happened, bro? Is he supposed to be like Chainsaw Man's arch nemesis, bro? Oh my. Yo. What the hell?
Having someone care for you enough to cry like that must be nice.
What the fuck just happened to your arm? What? This shit is creepy, bro. That bitch said, fuck you.
Snake, swallow it.
Snake swallow it. Damn.
Return.
This shit didn't even have no animation. The motherfucker just disappeared. What is that, like her final ability or some shit? Like, does she never use? Just to attach her back to... Okay, they had to power this nigga up. Oh yeah, it's over with you, sword man.
What's going on? But I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you two are bad guys. Love me some baddies.
fuck them guns gonna do, bruh?
Keep your aim on his heart and his arms.
Hey, can't open it.
Slice his head open, bruh.
1 millimeter from there.
He don't care about them people.
Buddy will lose his head, and there'll be a special on ground beef. Yeah, that's right. Sit your dumb ass down.
Damn, that nigga is quick as hell. What?
Alright, we better move him. You go and bring the car around.
Okay, what the fuck? Why the fuck does this granny have a damn pistol? Damn! That's wild as hell. What is happening, bro? Why did she just shoot him for no fucking reason?
You too. You're with them, the shooters. Snake! Tail!
She part monkey?
She's half black. You motherfucker using a dead body, bruh.
Die inside the van!
Why did you just back up? Why didn't you just take off? So y'all just don't care about the main character. The motherfucker sitting there with half of his body chopped out. Fuck. Is he gonna come back to life or not?
おとなしく投降し
レディ吐き出し
What?
あいつを殺せ
What the fuck, bro? That's your friend, buddy. Watch, you gonna find out whenever she did. I think. Damn.
そのまま絞め殺せ
What? What? Fuck. You don't need it, bruh. You don't need it. You're gonna get cancer.
幽霊の悪魔には目がないから恐怖心を見る。姫野先輩が言っていたことだ。
Dude, I done seen this motherfucker get its head chopped off a million times, bruh.
Heavy.
殺すな。
You're dead, buddy. That's what you get for killing Chainsaw Man.
やってみろよベーキ。俺を切り殺すんじゃねえのかよ。死ねよ。
Damn. How many times these motherfuckers gonna fight? Hey, this is kind of hard though. Oh yeah, he quicker than him too, bruh. He about to die second time. Damn. Stop letting them kneel and just fight him, bruh.
まだ戦えるぜ。
Now you're cut in half again, buddy. Oh. What? Ain't no way you let a nigga beat you with just his head, bruh.